Welcome to the DESI ASTRO. In this DS9 tutorial on astronomical fits image processing and analysis, we'll be learning that how to process multiple fits image together in the DS9. Alright, uh, so for doing that, go to the frame section and choose here the tile frames. So click on that. Now we have chosen the tile frames. Go to the frame section again and go to new frame. So here you can see that we have you have two frames, right? You can add as much as you want. So I will add third one. So here's your third one. You can add fourth one, right? So 1, 2, 3 and fourth you have added. So you can add as much as your need. So I will delete these two frames, okay, for time being, and I will work with only two. Okay, so first like click on the left frame and go to the file section, open a frame, open a file. So I have r cut.fits. So yeah, okay, so I have my first file, right? And then go to the right panel, go to the file, open a second fits file. So I have gcut.fits. So now go to some scaling. So this is how my grayscale image looks like. Okay, so this means that this image is from the same patch of the sky. Okay, so you can give I mean, like, you can process this image separately by clicking on that panel. So I click on the left panel and I can give the color. Okay, so you can vary the color as per your wish. And now go to the right section and similar stuff you can do. Okay, so here, right, so this is you can do. Now suppose you want to like match this image in your image space or your WCS space. So go to the frame and go to the lock. So frame and like go to the WCS, okay, world coordinate system. So click on that. You can see your image has been converted into the RADEX system, right? So like when you like zoom in or zoom out this image from the mouse, you can see the same I mean the um, same patch of the sky is coming into the picture. Okay, so let's see. So if you, okay, so you can see the same patch of the sky is zooming in and zooming out. So this way, like, you can match an object in both the frames. Okay, similarly you can go to the lock and you can this time you can match in the image space, right? So see here, you can see in the both frames the same object is looking. Okay, so let me go to the grayscale and then it's better. So here you can see that the same object is changing in both the frames, right? So this way you can do the matching. Okay, so I hope that you learn that how to do image processing using multiple fits image. Okay, so you can add 3-4 images together. So thank